Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to set up on startup, open a specific or set a page in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to open your Chrome and you want to open a specific page on the startup, so guys, first of all, you simply here you see that I am the Chrome browser. Now I am simply go to my settings section. Here you go for the settings section. In the settings section, guys, here you see the option of on startup. On startup means that when your Chrome is open, so here you open and select the specify page or set a page. So click here, add a new page, and guys, here you simply search like www.youtube.com. So you just go here and put your site and add it. Okay, now here you see that now I'm close my Chrome, and when I open it, so guys, here you see that my actually there is something work on already, some work is open, so that's why I'm not close my app completely, but this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe. But guys, one thing I do, that I open a new window. Okay, so this is the way that you can do.